Hey everyone! Today we're diving deep into Meta Connect 2025, where Mark Zuckerberg unveiled what might be the most ambitious step yet in wearable technology, the brand new Ray-Ban Meta display glasses and the Meta Neural Band. This year's conference wasn't just about small upgrades. It was about Meta trying to reshape the future of how we use technology every day. So what exactly did they announce? The star of the show was the Ray-Ban Meta display, a pair of stylish Ray-Ban glasses that look almost identical to regular Wayfarers. But with one huge twist, they have a built-in micro-LED display inside the right lens. This tiny display allows you to see notifications, reply to WhatsApp and Instagram messages, check maps, view photo previews, and even use live translation, all without pulling out your smartphone. The display resolution is 600 by 600 pixels with a field of view of about 20 degrees. Refresh rates up to 90 Hz and brightness, ranging from just 30 nits indoors all the way to 5,000 nits in bright sunlight. In other words, this is a screen designed to work in nearly any environment. But how do you actually control all of this? That's where the Meta Neural Band comes in. This is a smart wristband that uses electromyography, or EMG, to read the tiny electrical signals in your muscles. That means you can control apps with subtle finger movements, like a small pinch or swipe, without ever touching the glasses. It is a futuristic way to interact with tech, less clunky than tapping on a frame, and much more discreet than talking out loud to an assistant. Now, let's talk about battery life, because that's always a deal breaker with wearables. The Ray-Ban display glasses last about 6 hours of mixed use on a single charge, and Meta includes a stylish charging case that adds up to 30 more hours. The Neural Band itself gets about 18 hours, which should easily last you a full day. Both devices are water resistant, making them more practical for everyday use. Meta didn't stop at one product though. They also refreshed their standard Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses with upgraded cameras and audio, and they introduced a sporty model called the Oakley Meta Vanguard. The Oakley version has a central camera, a tougher design for athletes, and integration with apps like Strava and Garmin. That one will start at $499 and hit stores in October. As for the flagship Ray-Ban display, the price is set at $799 in the United States, with sales starting September 30th. For now, it's only launching in the US, but Meta hinted at expanding to Europe and Canada in 2026. The glasses come in two sizes, standard and large, and at least two frame colors, black and sand. During the keynote, Meta showed off live demos of translation, navigation, and messaging. There were some hiccups with Wi-Fi on stage, which caused delays during the demo, but overall the technology worked as promised. Still, it's clear this is a first-generation product, and like all first-gen tech, it won't be perfect. Why does this matter? Because Zuckerberg and Meta are positioning these glasses as the start of what he called personal superintelligence. The idea is simple but powerful. Instead of living through a rectangular smartphone screen, you'll have technology that feels like an extension of your senses. The Neural Band plus glasses combination is Meta's bold attempt to replace the smartphone over time. And while we're not there yet, analysts agree these glasses are still far from replacing a full-fledged phone. The leap is undeniable. Of course, there are challenges. The $799 price tag is high, especially for a first attempt. Privacy concerns are huge. A camera and microphones and everyday eyewear always raise questions. Comfort and style matter too. Will people actually want to wear these all day? And then there's the software, apps, experiences, and the overall polish will determine if this product is just a cool gadget or truly the future of personal computing. To sum it all up, Meta Connect 2025 gave us a glimpse of a world where your glasses might eventually replace your phone. The Ray-Ban display is stylish, surprisingly powerful for its size, and backed by cutting-edge input with the neural band. It's not perfect, but it's an exciting start. So here's the big question. Would you actually wear glasses like these every day? Or are we still too early in this journey? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this breakdown of Meta Connect 2025, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more in-depth tech coverage. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.